How to change your Spotify password. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your computer. Next, go to a trusted search engine such as Google. In the search bar, type the term Spotify and press Enter. After viewing the search results, click on the official Spotify website. Allow Widevine, if prompted, to enable Spotify music playback on your web browser. Now, navigate to the Login option located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your email address or username in the provided field and click Continue. Then, click on the Login with a Password option. Next, enter your current password in the designated field. Click Login to access your Spotify account. Once logged in, click your profile picture at the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and locate the Change Password option and click on it. Enter your current password in the first field. Enter your new password in the second field. Re-enter your new password in the confirmation field. Finally, click on Set New Password to confirm the changes. Congratulations! You have successfully updated your Spotify password. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our growth.